Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Indeed Resume Access and update LinkedIn profile resume links, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your Indeed Resume Access, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Indeed website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture or initials to open the drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the options listed. In the Account Settings, look for the Privacy tab. Click on the Privacy tab to open your privacy settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Resume Access. Here, you will see options related to your resume visibility. To remove access, find the toggle or checkbox for resume visibility. Toggle it off or uncheck the box to disable resume visibility. Confirm the changes if prompted by clicking Save or Confirm. Now, you have successfully uninstalled your Indeed Resume Access. Next, let's update your LinkedIn profile resume links. Open a new tab in your web browser. Go to the LinkedIn website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on Me in the top navigation bar. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click the Add Profile section button. Choose Recommended and then click on Add Featured. In the Featured section, you can add links to your resume. To do this, click on the plus icon. Select the option to add a link. Paste the new link for your resume and click Add. Double-check that the link directs to the correct resume. You can also add a title and description for clarity. After adding, click Save to finalize the changes. Your LinkedIn profile is now updated with the new resume link. Review your profile to ensure everything looks accurate and professional. You have successfully uninstalled Indeed Resume Access and updated your LinkedIn profile resume links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.